If you struggle to play melodically on the guitar, this lesson is for you. If you struggle to play creative ideas and you feel stuck just in this box, this lesson is also for you. There is this one simple trick that the pros use that the amateurs don't know about that transforms your playing. If this is the first time we are meeting, my name is Alec Lehrman. I've played on Grammy-nominated records. I've played with A-list celebrities from Aloe Blacc to BTS, Sabrina Claudio, Meghan Trainor, and I've taught thousands of students the lesson I'm about to share with you right now. If you want a deeper dive into soloing over chord changes and build confidence, I have a course that's ready and waiting for you down in the description. You can check that out. So today we're going to play over a backing track in the key of E major. Chances are you are familiar with this pentatonic shape. This is the E major pentatonic. And while the backing track is going on, I'm going to be explaining the key concept that you are probably missing out on that transforms your playing. Let's get into it. Now let's listen to the track. Don't play, we're going to listen. The chords are E to A. It's a nice slow walk. Back to E. And finally, B. So there's only 3 chords. So rather than playing this pentatonic shape, up and down, we are going to use triads to transform your playing. And triads look and sound like this. We are going to play them one note at a time. Triads, E triad. And what this does is allows you to play and follow the music rather than playing a scale that doesn't land on any of the chord tones. So really, by just playing this pentatonic scale, you're holding yourself back from playing musically. So now, let's try playing along. And use these triads musically. What you're going to notice is that all of these chords, these shapes, are contained within this fret region. And what most amateur guitar players don't understand is that they should be identifying and playing these chords, these triads, when they solo, and then sprinkle the pentatonic scale on top. So you bake the cake with the triads, and the sprinkles on top are the pentatonic scale, okay? This will absolutely transform your playing. Visualizing the fretboards with triads first will transform your playing from beginner and amateur sounding to professional sounding. This is how the pros do it. They see the triads, and then they sprinkle the pentatonics on top. So now let's implement some colorful decorations to our triads. And that just means a little bit of bending and a little bit of sliding. So now we're going to listen. The chord is E. We're listening to A. Do not start playing until you listen to the chord progression at least once through. Back to E. And finally, this is B. Okay, it's just 3 chords, okay? So let's try. You can see how the triads are following the chord progression. And you could start implementing faster licks later on, but until you understand the basics, the foundation of how music and how soloing on guitar works, you will stumble every time trying to play fast. This is a lesson I wish I had 20 years ago when I started playing guitar. This is the foundation for soloing. And if you do not understand this, you will always be holding yourself back. If you want a deeper dive into this subject, there is a course on chord changes waiting for you in the description. You can go check that out now. Now that you understand this concept, you're going to want to dive deeper into chord tone soloing. You can check out this video here.